ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ káalẹ́ o níbikíbi tí ẹ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi kí ẹ tó fọ́nrán tẹ fẹ́ wò yìí eléyìí ti ní agbára ṣùgbọ́n ká tó wọnú fọ́nrán yìí lọ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi subscribe sórí YouTube channel mo fi Ọlọ́run bẹ̀ yín ẹ jọ̀ọ́ orí ìdọ̀bálẹ̀ la wà ẹ bá wa subscribe ẹ tọ notification bell yín gbogbo ìgbà tá bá ti mú wá fún yín lọ́kọ̀ọ̀kan òjèjì ẹ máa gbọ́ wa mo kí wa lógúnlógún níbikíbi tí ẹ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lórílẹ̀-èdè àgbáyé gbogbo ẹ̀yin tọ̀kùlú ìlú gbogbo ẹ̀yin ládéládé lóyè mo kí gbogbo wa o ẹ wá farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ wá wo fọ́nrán yìí ẹ jẹ́ ká máa kọ́gbọ́n nǹkan tó mú wa tá fi ń múrò àwọn ètò bélé wa lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan náà ni wípé ká lè máa kọ́gbọ́n ọgbọ́n ọlọ́gbọ́n ò la fi ń ṣọgbọ́n nítorí pé wọ́n ní tó bá ti gbẹnu tán tí a bá ti fi ọgbọ́n ara wa nǹkan tó bá ṣẹlẹ̀ tí a bá ti fi ń kọ́gbọ́n that means ó ti gbẹnu tán fún wa nìyẹn nítorí pé ẹni náà á ti débi tí ò yẹ kó dé kó tó wá lọ máa ṣe àtúnṣe ṣùgbọ́n ká fi nǹkan tó bá ṣẹlẹ̀ sẹ́ni tó bá súnmọ́ wa àbí nǹkan tá a bá rí ká máa fi mú ṣọgbọ́n òun ló ti dà ká máa mọ orú ọ̀rẹ́ tá a máa bá rìn ẹ máa mọ orú ọ̀rẹ́ tá a bá rìn ẹnu ẹ wo orú àwọn èèyàn wọ̀nyí ṣé irú àwọn ẹni tẹ́yàn ń bá rìn ni ẹni tó bí nílé eré ṣé irú àwọn èèyàn tó ń bá rìn ni àti gé orí èèyàn ò jọ yín lójú àti pamọ́là kejì ò jẹ yín lójú ẹ ti pààyàn tán ẹ ti ń lọ ń gba ransom lọ́wọ́ àwọn òbí kí ló dé irú ènìyàn wo lẹ̀yin èèyàn wọ̀nyí ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ò ní sọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ nítorí pé fídíò yẹn ẹ farabalẹ̀ wò ó nítorí ó gùn díẹ̀ ó lọ bí 10 minutes ẹ ó farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ wò ó kẹ́ jẹ́ ká kọ́gbọ́n nítorí ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa kọ̀ọ̀kan ni o tẹ́ ṣe ń gbọ́ wa tẹ́ ń wò wá tẹ́ ti ń lérò sínú láti gbé àwọn ìgbésẹ̀ kan ẹ má gbé ìgbésẹ̀ tẹ́ fẹ́ gbé yẹn o ẹ má gbé o kò ń ṣe ohun tó dára rárá o ẹ wò ó.
I am SP Dafe Bright and this is Delta State Police Command. Today we'll be having a very painful press briefing. It's quite unfortunate, but it's very important that we bring this out there for you guys to see. Here we have one suspect. His name is Efe. This is an herbalist. This is one of the accomplices, and this is another of the accomplices. What did they do? This very guy had a friend called Paulinus. Around September this year, he contacted Paulinus that he is aware of a building that they want to sell for 30 million. Paulinus told him he would be interested. Paulinus gave him 10 million, 10 million, 5 million, 5 million. That is 30 million naira. Instead of Efe to buy the property, Efe diverted the money and was using it to build his own house and also bought 2 other lands. When it got to time for Efe to show Paulinus the property he bought for him, he didn't know what to do. He became confused. He didn't know how to explain to Paulinus. He decided to kill him. Efe contacted this man here for the sum of 450 to kill him. Somehow, this man declined. Efe now contacted these persons we are seeing here in Otokutu. On the 3rd day, they now called Efe that they are ready to kill him. Efe now deceived Paulinus that they were going to a party. Paulinus came, they entered the vehicle, and they went to Otokutu. These guys, on seeing Paulinus, they quickly grabbed Paulinus, took him to Orere River in Otokutu, tied him to a stake. They tried to kill him, they couldn't kill him. While he was alive, they used machetes and they cut off his neck. They tied his body to a stone and threw it into the river and carried the head to the shrine that belongs to this man here. And his head was buried at the shrine. Come on to your shirt. I will check your head. The boy head will carry copy. What's the boy name? I don't know the boy name. You, what is the name?
Police might be no. I don't know whether they carry any head from me. I don't know.
Initially we arrested Efe, who denied knowledge. And let me tell you what Efe did. After Efe must have killed him, Efe went back to the family and started collecting ransom, claiming that Paulinus was kidnapped. Efe collected a ransom of over 20.7 million naira. Efe is here, the other people are here. We were able to investigate, unravel the mystery behind the Indian numbers. We discovered that it was Efe who was also calling that he was kidnapped. Efe, what's your name? Okemute Gaga was the main suspect who we later got that eventually indicted Efe and told us how they killed Paulinus in that river, threw his body into the river, and buried the head in the shrine. For want of time, we are going to interview Efe right now. What is your name?
Efe.
Try open your mouth to be Efe, Abi.
Efe.
Okay. How much Paulinus pay you for that property before you decide to kill her?
Everything at 30 million.
30 million. So why you choose to kill her?
I don't know. I want to explain the matter giver.
Okay, you don't know how you want to explain the matter giver. Okay, so these people, which of them you contact say me they help you kill Efe? Me they help you kill
I first contact that one.
No, leave that one. The other three, which of them you contact say?
Nine. I call contact.
Okemute. Okay, so when you contact, how much you pay Okemute to kill?
Everything one. Yeah. Now 680,000.
You pay him 680,000.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So when he bring Paulinus give una, what you call do Paulinus?
My brother, Sunday Ikpeba.
Where Sunday Ikpeba?
Yeah.
How be this? Okay,
He cut tire.
Okay.
After time finish, also join there, so he come give me the colors. He say, "Oh, you cut am."
I think that is what I give.
Yes, he come give me the colors. He say, "Oh, you cut am." Not I say, not me supposed to cut am. Now Sunday Ikpeba. Sunday Ikpeba, na come out here.
Okay. Sunday Ikpeba, they say na you come out.
Now you cut am.
Okay. Like, as you can see, the both of them are dragging between who cut off Paulinus' head. But the long and short story of it all is that they chopped off his head, buried his head in the shrine belonging to this man. What's your name?
Lawrence Joseph.
Lawrence Joseph carried the head and buried the head in the shrine. Due to our intelligence-led investigation, we were able to arrest Efe, arrest Okemute, arrest the native doctor, arrest Ikpeba. And they are all here, and they are going to dance to the tune of this music that they have played. You see why we always say, be wary of the friends you keep. Be wary of the friends you keep. We should be very, very careful of our association and wherever we are going to. Paulinus just died for no reason. Paulinus died because he bought a property. Paulinus died because he trusted a friend. It's a pity, it's pathetic, but may God help us. Thank you.
Efe, he carry his friend come. He carry his friend come. He say his friend, say he poison his brother. He say he poison his brother die for Yahoo matter. It's okay. He got to give us money, say we will go kill her for Babalawo place. So my brother come carry the money, go kill the Babalawo. So the Babalawo, if you do so, he not coffee killer. Now if you come again, now he talk say, he say the person not be there you. He say we can go collect he say we can go call my brother come. So we go lay can go meet us from where we dey. We say okay. We say we here. Small time. He don't call us say he don't reach that side. He come carry Owe beach. Owe beach. Come carry come to that side. When he carry come finish. Okay, we what at the motor. We with the Osage with Sunday we come carry the motor. Go Zedami Road. Zedami Road that side. That side now we come to go. When we come finish, then my brother pull rope for his neck. Who's your brother? Yeah. When he put it in me, he said he was there. If he did there, I went to put the rope so he got fallen for the water. So I can't hold her. I hold her, man. And he said, I can't cut her. When he cut her finish, all of us got carry him to go the river. He said, I can't put the head. Can't put the oil for the sack.
Who put the head?
I said, Joe. This cement sack. I can't put the head. I said, cannot carry and go the right. I said,
Who buried the head?
Who buried the head?
Buried the head.
now I said, Joe.
Oseto.
Yes.
Osejo.
Chief priest. Chief priest.
Okay, okay, this is the chief priest.
Yes.
Okay, chief priest.
Yeah.
You heard what he said.
Yes, sir. Sir, Mena Lawrence Joseph.
Wait. Which one? What be your who you be for this matter?
Chief priest.
For where?
Otokutu. Where he call me, say make me come. I dey meeting, like he call me. He say, "But I talk Shuma." I say no. I say why they ask? He say they all carry something come. I come say the tea. You don't carry come already before.
What be the thing?
He say coconut.
What be coconut?
That be human being.
You want the head? Okay, now they call coconut.
This thing, that's what you call him. Now so himself call out for me. Not be me call like that. I say call out. I go say, well, person they call coconut. Which kind? They call coconut. I because they laugh. I bet the pieces are play. Truth. Night call this. We call go there. We call see the boy. If he dead there. If I call say
Efe, is it true? You did there?
I not the one that they kill him.
But you did there.
I felt that when I drop him, I did the beach. When I did the beach.
Now you carry the man go.
Yes. When we reach there, now they call and they tie both of us. So now there they call tell me say make me come out.
Make you come out.
Yes.
Not you carry and go.
Now me carry and go. Now this man come out. Man
So it was an arranged.
why you carry and go?
Me and I, so we get one issue based on money matter. But you get one land when I carry about a long road, you won't build this thing for inside boutique for inside the land. One man they call all school. They play me for when I don't play for one, I call rock more for the town. So the land, so the cost better big issue and not the see the rest.
Whose call is this? This call belongs to who?
Which call?
This human head.
Nah, easy.
Easy.
Yes, sir.
What did the ring name?
Polinos. Yes. So I call comot for the beach. Me they call rock comot. Go ask. The way say me I dey comot. They said they be witness. I don't know how they slice. Say that next time they go slice. Me I don't know.
You don't give them the job finish now.
Yeah, but I don't know what they say slice neck.
But now you give them the job.
Yes, sir. I agree.
The job where you give them, what you say may they do?
I say make they themselves so. Make they kill am.
Make they kill am.
Yes, sir.
náà ẹ ti rí wọn àwọn ọmọ Delta State sí Edo State lẹ́wọ̀n yẹn tó tẹ bá ti ń gbọ́ ìwò tó ṣe ń sọ pidgin ẹ̀ tí mọ̀ bí tó ti wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ ẹ wò wọ́n dáadáa àwọn ọmọ Delta State àwọn ọmọ Edo State àwọn lẹ́wọ̀n yẹn àwọn irú wàbẹ́lẹ̀ wà lọ́wọ́ ó wà nílẹ̀ wa ó pọ̀ jáàmù rẹ̀ especially Ogun State ó tiẹ̀ common lógun State ní Ogun State Ọ̀yọ́ State kò síbi tó sí náà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá gbogbo state wa ló wà but àwọn ibi tó ti common jù náà là ń dárúkọ yẹn ẹ lọ já wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá ọmọlúwàbí náà mọ̀ wá sí o ọmọlúwàbí náà mọ̀ wá àárín kan tó kọjá ní last time gbogbo bó ṣe ń dọ́gbọ́n tó ń pa àwọn kí ló dé tó ti ní kán jọ kán tó lọ ó ní kán má dáríjì wọn o léè tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní last time tí mo wò lógun State tí ọ̀gbẹ́ni yẹn ó ní kán má dáríjì wọn pé gbogbo wọn pé kán dá ẹjọ́ kú fún wọn kán lọ pa wọn pé ṣùgbọ́n kán tó dá ẹjọ́ kú fún wọn pé kán fún un lóúnjẹ òun fẹ́ jẹun nítorí pé gbogbo àwọn táwọn ń pa wọ́n lè lọ́dọ̀ kán má jẹ́ káwọn jẹun pé kán kọ́ fún un lóúnjẹ nítorí pé ẹjọ́ ikú òun ló tọ́ sí àwọn ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́gbọ́n irú àwọn wàbélé yìí ò dáa èlò la fẹ́ lò láyé ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé láyé ṣe rere kí ló dé ẹ wo irú àwọn èèyàn wọ̀nyí ṣé irú àwọn ẹni téèyàn bá rìn lélẹ̀ wọ́n ní kò fọ̀rẹ́ mi hàn ẹ́ ká mọ ọ̀rọ̀ èèyàn téèyàn jẹ́ ẹ wọ́n á ti máa wo ọ̀rọ̀ èèyàn tó ń bá rìn èmi àwọn lọ máa bá ẹnìkan rédèrèdè tó á dirun kírun sórí kò sí ọmọlúwàbí kankan lára wọn àwọn tá máa fa gbó kiri máa live miserable life ò lẹ́ẹ̀ máa bá rìn ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́gbọ́n o ohun tá a ní ká mú wá nìyẹn ká tó lọ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ṣe sọ ẹ bá wa subscribe mo bẹ̀yìn mo ti expect pé kí subscriber kó ti lọ òkè ju eléyìí lọ ṣùgbọ́n síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ náà mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbẹ̀yìn tẹ́lẹ̀ subscribe o ẹ̀ ní fọwọ́ yín gbọ́mọ sí lágbára ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀dùà ètò kù kọ́dún ìparí wọn ní wáìntì àwọn agẹ́ni lórí irú àwọn èèyàn bí eléyìí ẹ̀ ní bá wọn pàdé o ẹ̀ ní bá wọn dòwò pọ̀ ní gbogbo ibikíbi tí ẹ bá lọ àti ọmọ yín àti ìrandíran yín lágbára Ọlọ́run Elédùà mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo yín ẹ ṣeun gan èmi ọmọ ọ̀rẹ́ yín náà ni olólùfẹ́ yín tòótọ́ Àkàlàmàgò TV ẹyẹ méjì òkè jàjà ẹ ṣeun gan.